One day, a dog stole a big, juicy bone from a butcher's shop and ran away happily. On his way home, he had to cross a wooden bridge over a river. In the middle of the bridge, he looked down and saw his own reflection in the water. He thought it was another dog with an even bigger bone, and he wanted that one too. So he barked loudly to scare the other dog away, but his own bone fell into the river. Now he had nothing left. He learned that being greedy makes you lose what you already have.